So my name's Melissa Minitti. I majored in kinesiology while I was here. I graduated in 2017. I also did a minor in nutrition, and currently I'm a physical therapist and I work at the VA hospital working with patients with chronic pain. When I came to Penn State, I was looking for a program that excelled in kinesiology, so I knew that I wanted to get into the healthcare professions, was already kind of thinking of physical therapy, and so I sought out one of the best programs in the nation with kines, so Penn State was one of those, and so I looked for a program that had a lot of applied kinds of opportunities as well as internship opportunities, and just a really great research faculty. So I got a really good picture of how does one conduct research and how does that then apply clinically. So having had that here, when I did get to PT school, then I ended up doing some research with folks there, and I already had kind of that background. I was comfortable with research. I was like, oh, I've already dipped my feet into this. I could continue to do this. So it made me more comfortable going to professors and being like, oh, I'd like to do research in your lab. I enjoy this. I find the value in it, and I'd like to continue. So I think it helped me kind of get comfortable with research. Advice that I would give is take every opportunity that comes your way and be open to different things that maybe you didn't think you were going to be open to before. But yes, you're here to get a degree. Yes, you're here to be a good student, but there's so many opportunities here at Penn State and they're just yours for the taking.